Hey, good morning. Welcome to Horsley Retirement Adventures. Today, Chris and I are out at Trader Hills boat ramp again, St. Mary's River, because it was supposed to be real windy up north, or down wherever where do we fish? West, east, intercoast. We fish everywhere, east, south, north. Man, we are over the continent. Is that the word? Continent.
We're incontinent.
We're incontinents. We got our depends. We're ready. We're in the hall. We got our astronaut depends on.
We're ready.
And so far, we've only caught 2 catfish, 1 each. So we just started fishing really about 8 hours ago. So no, we just started about 20 minutes ago. So hopefully we catch them. The water's up about 2-3 feet more than it was the other day I was here. So I think the brim have moved into these trees, which you can't see, but they're all over in there. In that water, we can't get the boat through there. I mean, if Chris floors it, he might get through there, but I don't think we'd get back. But that might be where all these brim are, because we haven't got a brim yet. So hopefully we have some fish to show you. All right, thanks for watching. Pull out. Chris caught a catfish.
I'm surprised I caught that on that jig.
Isn't that crazy?
It's that little flavor I got on
Oh,
there.
you put some stuff on there? Oh, yeah.
He's clamped down on this thing now.
Stop calling me, people. I already bought a car. This is a good yellow belly. Yeah, look at that. That's a good fillet.
Fill it.
Fillet. All right, we'll put him back though.
Go free.
I'm going to keep some. If we get some brig. If we get some brig,
You get some brim.
then I'm going to keep some. I want to eat some for dinner tonight.
We're going to eat some brim.
Brig. If we get some brig.
All right.
Should've
GoPro,
kept-
stop recording.
There you go. Took care of. Got one.
Paul's on.
Probably another catfish.
Or is that a... Oh, that's a nice one, Paul.
I might have to eat him.
It's a little speckled cat.
No!
Oh, Paul.
That was about,
That was our chance to be heroes. What was that?
folks, that was a cat about that big.
Yeah.
And he would have been nice to fillet.
Catfish. Not like an actual cat.
No,
For,
it wasn't.
for you cat lovers out there.
No. Darn it!
Oh,
Got something.
catfish.
Hey.
Hey. That's a catfish hole right there. Good close up of Paul. The look on Paul's face right now. And catfish.
Catfish. Catfish hunter. Ah,
Let's do it. See what I missed out on?
a catfish.
Paul, don't worry, man. We're gonna pull through this. We're gonna fight through this together. We're gonna catch some fish.
Hey, I don't even have a hold of you. But
It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
definitely gonna have to wash that rag when I get home.
How'd that bite feel?
It felt like a good bite.
Is it stunk?
Yes. But I'll tell you what, if there's catfish in there, then that scares the bluegill away. Because catfish eat bluegills.
Not that.
Well, he could eat them, no. The big ones do, though, huh?
Yeah.
I thought I was hooked on something, or snagged at first. But, like right there.
Cat. That's a catty.
Big cat.
Oh, let's get the cat on the jig.
Another catfish. He is big though. Slimer. That reminds me of Ghostbusters, that Slimer guy. My jig. That one I told you to.
Oh, on the, yeah, but it's on the float.
No, it's this one. This is why we don't like catching catfish, folks. See that line? It's all catfish line. Oh, hey, finally! Crappie! Folks, blow that baby up.
Sir.
Crappie master. Yeah.
Much on.
I did kiss it, really. Felt like I did, though.
Here, hand me one of those. One of your cigarettes.
Got bent over again. Folks, I had to bend over twice in a row. In one day. I don't even appreciate it.
It's on.
Chris has got a fish. Woo! Doggy. Look at that.
Yeah. Huge.
I don't know if you know it, but we're in
The woods.
we're in the Disney Jungle Adventure.
We are.
Yeah, Chris is a master of the crappie.
Let's go.
On mayfly. Like I told you, mayfly.
Let's go.
Where did I?
It's on. He was just kind of off the bank a little bit.
Just swimming, huh?
Yeah,
Like this. Look at this.
Yeah, listen, I'm going to talk for about 15 minutes about that one little bitty tiny crappie.
Yeah, go ahead.
Gonna
Tell
make a
him.
big deal about it. I'm going to talk about how how it happened that Paul had some bites on this jig, and I said, Paul, are you getting
Paul?
bites on that jig? And Paul says, I'm getting bites on this jig, and I said, I'm going to change over to that jig. So
Yeah.
changed over to it, and then look
Boom. Crappie.
at the story.
I don't know what it is.
Turn on my.
Oh, it's a big crappie. I think. No? Yes, it is.
Paul, after all this time, look at that.
Woo! Crappie master. They don't call me that just for the, because I tell them to. I give them $1 every time. See that, folks?
You got my attention now, Paul. I got to be honest with you.
Look at his crappie tongue. Yeah.
You got my attention.
That's a nice fish.
That's right.
He was right above that tree. We went back to the other spot, and I told Chris, I said, I'll show you where the fish are.
You did.
And as soon as I threw it in there,
You get that. Big old warmouth. Good, that's a big one.
oh,
This ain't bites.
yeah.
Yeah. That's a giant, man.
Woo, dog, that's a big one.
All right. Oh, another jig.
Look at that.
You got a lot of nerve, Paul.
I just
That
told him.
was,
Look at that. And the thing is, she's full of eggs.
come on. That is,
That's chubby.
that's wow.
Okay, we're gonna stay a little longer, I think. Maybe try this again.
Another 10 minutes.
Another 10 minutes. He's got a tongue. Look at that.
Yes.
Warmouth's got a tongue. Yes.
Dang it, Paul. Why do you do stuff like that? Get the fish right when I'm ready to leave. GoPro, start recording.
All right, we're done. Very short video, but that's okay. These crappie and brim and stuff, they're hard to find right now because the water down here was up 3 or 4 feet today. I don't know why. Do you?
I don't know. It didn't rain.
It did not.
I mean,
didn't rain here.
no, it's just a high tide, I guess. I don't know.
It was crazy. I mean, we were in good. Well, you'll see. We were in this one creek that
Looked fabulous.
looked fabulous. I mean, there was sticks, stones.
Yeah.
I mean, bridges, RVs. There's all kinds of stuff in there.
Great.
It was. I mean, there'd be all kinds of fish in there. We caught a couple little ones, and that's it. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Shout out to Mike Pickett.
Mike. Yep.
Mike and his wife. We just saw them down fishing a few minutes ago on Traders Hill boat ramp.
Yep.
That's where it is, right?
Hope they catch some.
Hope they catch them. Mike, say hi. See you, buddy. Thanks for watching. Paul out.